Here's what nobody tells you about change. It doesn't happen gradually over years of thinking about it. It happens in concentrated bursts of focused action, days where you decide, this version of me ends here and a new one starts now. 30 days is that burst. This challenge isn't about perfection or having everything figured out. It's about 1 month of ruthless commitment to becoming someone you actually respect. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 steps to build the life you want. For the next 30 days, no excuses, no negotiating, just you finally showing up for yourself. So let's start with step number 1. Wake up at the same time. Every morning you hit snooze, you're telling yourself one thing: comfort matters more than commitment. And that message doesn't stay in the bedroom. It follows you through the entire day. But the solution to this problem is incredibly simple. All you need to do is wake up at the same time every single morning. You don't need to wake up early. You just need to wake up at the exact same time for 30 days. Same alarm, same routine, same start. Set the time tonight. Put the phone across the room. Get up when it rings. Because the first win of the day makes every other win easier. 2. Take cold shower. Every morning the hot water calls. Warm, comfortable, easy. And every morning you have one choice: comfort or control. Cold showers are not about the temperature. It's about training the part of you that wants to quit before the discomfort even begins. Every morning when you step into that cold water, your brain registers one thing: this person doesn't run from discomfort. This person moves toward it deliberately. 30 seconds of cold water teaches your nervous system a powerful lesson. You are stronger than the thing you're avoiding. Do it every single day for 30 days. No easing in, full cold, immediately. Because if you can face that cold water, you can face anything. 3. Exercise daily. Unused energy is dangerous. It becomes restlessness, distraction, the kind of mental noise that makes focus impossible and discipline feel like punishment. Exercise burns that energy deliberately, not just calories. The anxiety, the brain fog, the low-grade frustration that builds when a body designed for movement spends its days completely still. 30 minutes every single day. No excuses about equipment. No excuses about time. Push-ups, running, weights, whatever demands something real from you physically. Because the man who trains his body daily isn't just building muscle. He's building the proof that he shows up for himself. 4. Limit screen time. Your phone is the most sophisticated distraction ever created, designed by the smartest engineers in the world, optimized to keep you scrolling, engineered to make putting it down feel genuinely difficult, and it's winning. 30 days of limiting screen time isn't about hating technology. It's about taking back the hours being quietly stolen from your focus, your relationships, and the work that actually matters. Set a daily time limit. No phone for the first hour of morning. Put the phone down 1 hour before sleep. No screens during meals. Because the most valuable thing you own isn't your phone, it's your attention. 5. Do hard tasks first. The hard task doesn't get easier by waiting. It gets heavier. Every hour you delay it, your brain spends energy avoiding it, thinking about it, dreading it, building it into something bigger and more impossible than it actually is. Do it first, before the resistance has time to build a case against you. Wake up, skip the scroll, attack the most important thing immediately. 30 days of this one decision, and procrastination loses its grip completely. Because a task done early never becomes the weight you carry all day. 30 days, that's the entire ask. Not a perfect life, not a complete transformation overnight. Just 30 days of choosing the harder option every single morning. When the comfort calls, when the excuses arrive, when every part of you wants to negotiate. But you don't negotiate, you just show up again and again until showing up stops feeling hard, until the man you've been trying to become stops feeling like someone else. That man is 30 days away, but only if you actually start. Drop it in the comment section, I'm ready, and subscribe to the Inspiring Zone. Let's build together.